Hello, my name is Saara. This is my final assignment to the CS50 web course. This one is called Capstone, and what I did for it is a manufacturing order portal for a metal 3D printing facility at the Technobothnia laboratory here in Finland at the University of Vaasa. My website contains a website with basic form for ordering 3D prints and some management tools for order and production batch tracking and tracing. Here are some images of the printer itself, some pieces printed by it and the process. So this is how the main website looks like. If a user is logged in, like I am, it pre-fills the form with my information. Here are some information that they need, and you can input some 3D model files. Now if you press submit, it tells that the order was sent successfully and all is good. Now here in the backend, we can see that our files that we just submitted, Mario and boat here, have just been saved to the server. Now then, if we would to, now because I'm logged in as a super user, I can go to this /management place where, well, now we see all the orders that have been made and have not been deleted by pressing this button. We can create a production batch based on this order by clicking this. Now it's linked to this production batch. And now we can say production batch with that name right in here. Now these production batches, they are basically like this plate. Many items are printed at the same time in this printer. So a production batch can contain multiple orders, so to say. Here is a graph showing all the different production batches by the what state they are right now in production. We can change different things in here. Hello, it's the high, and let's say it's already in quality check, like this. And now the graph has updated accordingly. You can delete something. Let's say we delete that. We can create material bottles, which is basically what the prints are made of, or what the machine uses to print the items. You can create new ones from here. You can create new blank production batches and create new machines that if there ever will be new machines at the lab. Now there's also a change history in all of the production batches. Let's say I change hi, also wash afterwards. And then update. We can see that it has updated here in the history accordingly. Now I don't think I have time for anything more, so I guess that was all. Bye.